Exercise 6.5, question number 15. In this question, ABC is an equilateral triangle and D is a point on the side BC such that BD is equal to 1/3 of BC. We have to prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. 9 times of AD square is equal to 7 times of AB square. This we have to prove in this question. ABC is an equilateral triangle and D is a point on the side BC such that BD is 1/3 of BC. And we have to prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. So to prove this result, let's first write given and to prove. Then we shall start proof. So given. ABC is an equilateral triangle. D is a point on side BC such that BD is equal to 1/3 of BC. To prove, we have to prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. To prove this result, 9AD square is equal to 7AB square in this triangle ABC, which is an equilateral triangle, we have constructed AE perpendicular to BC. So let's write construction. Draw AE perpendicular to BC. Now proof. Here triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, so all three sides will be equal, that is AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. And also given BD is equal to 1/3 of BC, that is BD is given equal to 1/3 BC. ABC is an equilateral triangle, it is given. So therefore AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. All three sides of this triangle ABC will be equal. And also we are given BD is equal to 1/3 BC. We have constructed this AE perpendicular to BC and triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, this perpendicular AE will be median of the triangle also. So, E will be midpoint of BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. So, AD is median of equilateral triangle ABC. That is, E is midpoint of BC, so we can write BE is equal to EC is equal to half BC. Now BE is equal to half BC and BD is equal to 1/3 BC, that is 1/3 of BC. Therefore, DE is equal to BE minus BD. BD is 1 by 2 BC and BD is 1 by 3 BC, which on simplification equal to 1 by 6 BC. So DE, this part, is 1/6 of BC. Now in triangle ABE, we have AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. Let it be number 1 from Pythagoras theorem. And in triangle ADE, we have AD square is equal to AE square perpendicular square plus DE square base square, and let it be number 2. This is also written from Pythagoras theorem. Now subtracting 2 from 1, we get from 1 and 2, we get AB square minus AD square is equal to AE square minus AE square cancelled, BE square minus DE square, BE square minus DE square. BE is equal to half BC and DE is equal to 1/6 of BC. So let us put BE equal to half BC and DE equal to 1 by 6 BC. So half BC whole square minus 1 by 6 BC whole square. 1 by 2 BC whole square is equal to 1 by 4 BC square minus 1 by 6 BC whole square 1 by 36 BC square. If you solve this 1 by 4 BC square minus 1 by 36 BC square, it will be 8 by 36 BC square. Further you reduce 8 by 36 to its lowest form, you will find 2 by 9 BC square. So AB square minus AD square, we have got 2 by 9 BC square. This implies AB square minus AD square equal to 2 by 9 AB square, because AB is equal to BC, three sides of the triangle are equal, ABC is an equilateral triangle. Now transpose this 2 by 9 AB square from right side to left side. You will have AB square minus 2 by 9 AB square is equal to AD square. Minus AD square is transposed from left side to right side. So we have got AB square minus 2 by 9 AB square is equal to AD square, and this implies 7 by 9 AB square is equal to AD square. Now cross multiply, you will get 7 AB square is equal to 9 AD square, and this was the result in this question to be proved, and we have proved this result. So hence proved.